In engineering drawing, when you draw an orthographic projection, you have top view, side view, front view, and bottom view. And when you draw something that is internal in the particular view, you cut the particular section by using section view option. Now, as this is more important for civil and mechanical engineering, however, this option takes a lot of time. So we have another easier method called hatch pattern that makes it easier to understand and do the work quickly. Now, let me show you some examples for your better understanding. Here, we have different patterns. Depending on the material, we'll be selecting the patterns. This is cast iron. You can use ANSI 31, and for steel, ANSI 32, and for bronze or copper, ANSI 33, and for plastic, ANSI 34. Now, just as we have defined patterns for each component, we easily know the suitable pattern for the given component. And now, we are going to learn how to apply them. Having few examples. This is the hatch icon, and the command is H. You can either use it by typing command or select the icon. When selecting the icon, a window pops up, and here select the patterns that you want to select. After selecting it, you have different patterns: ISO, other predefined, and customized patterns according to your desire. Not only the patterns available here, but you can use and customize your own pattern by yourself. This is angle. The angle that you want your pattern to be, and the scale options. First, I'm going to check out on the boundaries. Always make sure that the border of the drawings are closed. There must be no incomplete borders, or else the hatch pattern will never be created. It will show you as invalid. So always make sure that you have closed boundaries. Here in the example, this is an end point, and this is a hatch point. And I give enter and press OK. And your pattern gets filled inside the boundaries. Next is Add Select Entities. Again, click on the hatch. There is a normal, outer, ignore. I'm selecting on Add Select Entities. In the example, I'm selecting on this entity and this, and press enter and then press OK. That will fill the pattern only in the selected entities and gets filled with the desired pattern. Now, again going to the hatch. We'll be removing boundaries in the next example. Selecting on this entity and pressing enter and selecting remove boundaries, that will help the inside entities to be filled with the pattern. And this is how the hatch command helps to fill the patterns. Next, we are going to be learning hatch edit. HE is its shortcut. And now, when you double click, you can see the scale of the pattern. Here in the example, by double clicking, I get the option in changing the scale from 13 to 50. and press enter. Now as you can see, the scale of the pattern changes. Next, we are going to change the pattern, that is pattern edit. If you like to change the pattern, double click and then click on the pattern options, select what you want. In here, change the scale. I'm changing it to 5. That changes the whole pattern and the scale of the pattern. Thank you.